Help support the companies that support our community. On our way back from Seattle, we spent a couple of days up at Mt Saint Helens. I was 12 years old when the mountain blew in 1980. I was living in Southern Oregon, about 300 miles away. I was on my way home from my paper route, and I could still hear the blast from it. The eruption caused a massive landslide that just leveled everything in its path. Weyerhaeuser owned a huge portion of the land up there, and they were back in there salvaging lumber within months. Over the next few years, they salvaged over 850,000 board feet of lumber and got ready to replant. They replanted over 18 million new trees. As you drive up there today, it's hard to tell where the blast zone was because those trees they planted are over 70 feet tall. Robin and I found a great spot right at the edge of the blast zone to set up the trailer and film the project. I'll put a couple links down in the description to some great documentaries. They'll give you a lot more detail if you're interested. It's just amazing to see how the mountain has come back, even in spots where they didn't replant and they just let nature take over. It's amazing to see all the new growth. I haven't made a mushroom box in a while, so that's what we're going to do today. This one's out of walnut and maple. There we go. And again, it's out of maple and walnut and about 4 inches tall. We had a great time up there. If you ever make it up to that area, it's definitely someplace to go see, and check out the visitor center. It's really cool. There was lots of really neat information about the mountain. And we had some people stop by and check out what we were doing when we were turning. This couple here, they were from New Jersey, out here visiting family, so it was really neat. Everybody was just kind of interested to see what was going on. All right, Robin and I are going to be back up in Seattle, or the Seattle area, on the 19th. So next week we'll be at the South Puget Sound Woodturners Club. I'll put a link down below in the description to their website. We're going to be up there doing a demo. And then on the 21st, on Saturday, we'll be at the Woodcraft in Seattle. So please stop by and say hi if you're in the area. All right, thank you very much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. And until next week, take care.